Okay, my heroes, today we will have lesson 4.8, and this lesson is very easy lesson. Multiply two digit numbers by multiples of 10. And what we will do today, we will solve questions like these. As you can see here, 12 times 20, 21 times 30, 27 times 60. As you can see, in each question we have a multiple of 10. 20 is a multiple of 10, 30, 60, and also for the last one, 66 times 40. Also 40 is a multiple of 10. And yes, who's this?
I can see the screen.
You know the solution. Now, my heroes, I will play a video. I want you to focus with the video, and please do not use your mics. I'm recording this session, so please do not use your mics.
How can you multiply by multiples of 10? Think about this question during the lesson. Mr. Jeffrey bought 20 rock identification kits for his science classes. Each kit has 12 igneous rocks, 9 sedimentary rocks, and 7 metamorphic rocks. How can you find how many rocks are in all the kits?
How many rocks are in each kit? Then multiply to find how many rocks are in all the kits.
How many rocks are in each kit? There are 28 rocks in each kit. How can you find the number of rocks in 20 kits? To find the number of rocks in 20 kits, multiply 28 by 20. How might you use an area model to show the partial products? One way to find 28 times 20 is to draw an area model and break 28 into tens and ones. 28 equals 20 plus 8. Use the area model to find 28 times 20. The product 28 times 20 equals 560. Why are there only 2 partial products to record instead of 4? 2 of the partial products are 0, 0 times 8, and 0 times 20. According to the identity property of addition, adding 0 to any number results in the number itself. There is no need to record zeros in the partial products.
So, my heroes, till now, when we multiply 28 by 20, do you remember that we need 4 multiplications to multiply 2 digits by 2 digits? In today's lesson, we will use only 2 multiplications. Why? Because it's 20, so we don't have ones here. So we will not break the 20. We will break only the 28. So 28, we will break it. It will be 20 plus 8. And now multiply 20 by the first and the second. 20 times 20 and 20 times 8. And find the products and add them.
Another way to find 20 times 28 is to multiply 2 tens times 28. What does the 0 in 20 tell you about this number? It indicates that 20 is a multiple of 10. So record a 0 in the ones place of the answer. Then multiply 2 times 28. What does the 0 in 560 tell you? The 0 in the ones place of 560 tells you that 560 is also a multiple of 10. There are 560 total rocks in the kits. When you multiply by multiples of 10, underlining the zeros in each factor and counting the zeros at the same time can help you remember to include all of the zeros.
Add to find how many rocks are in each kit. Then multiply to find how many rocks are in all the kits.
Okay, my heroes, as you can see here in this one, When you multiply 28 by 20, you just need to multiply 28 by 2, 56, and add the 0. We have 0, we have extra 0. So we will put the 0, so 560. Okay, now let's go back to the book. What page is this? What's the number of this page?
I know.
Say it.
215.
Great, great. So this is page 215. And now we will start solving by ourselves. Okay. I will choose my heroes to help me. Let's start with Ala. Ala. Ibrahim Jalala. Jad, mute your mic.
Yes, teacher.
This is Ibrahim, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Ibrahim, you will help me to solve
Mister.
question number 3.
Yeah.
Yes, my hero.
Mister,
Yes, my hero.
I am Ala. You.
Okay,
take
Ala,
my
wait.
ism.
Because Ibrahim is solving now. Okay, Ibrahim, what will we do? We will multiply 12 by 2.
By
And
2.
the 0 here, we have it. So we have only to multiply 12 by 2. Go ahead. 2 times 2.
2 multiply 2. 2 multiply 2. 4.
And 1 times 2.
1, 2.
Great, thank you. Ala.
What, Mister?
21 multiplied by 30, so we have the 0. We just need to multiply 21 by 3. 1 times 3.
Times 3 equals 6.
You started from the left. Start with the ones. 1 times 3, then the
Okay.
tens.
1 times 3 equals 3.
And 2 times 3 equals...
6.
Okay, thank you, my hero. Okay, let's solve the next one with another hero. Abdulaziz Ruwaishid. Riyad Sulh.
Yes?
This is Riyad.
Yeah.
Okay, my hero. Go ahead. 27 multiplied by
question five?
60. Yes.
27 multiplied by 60.
Yes. Multiply 27 by 6 first, then add the 0. 7 times 6.
7 times 6 equals
Mm-hmm.
42.
So we will write 2 and carry up 4 over the tens. And now multiply the tens. 2 times 6.
2 multiplied by 6 equals 12.
And we have
Uh,
4.
And we have 4, so 12 plus 4 equals 16.
We should write 6 and we cannot carry up 1, so we will write also the 1.
Yes.
Okay, now how many zeros do we have?
None.
We don't have any zeros, but I can see 0 in here.
Oh yeah, 60.
How many zeros? 60 zeros? How many zeros?
Oh, I mean 1.
1 0. So the answer, the product is 1620. Thank you, my hero. The next question. Khalifa.
Yes, Mister.
Okay, my hero, go ahead. 66 times 40.
Okay.
Start multiplying 66 by 4. And the last thing, add the 0.
Yeah, okay.
6 times 4.
6 times 4. 24.
So we were right.
24.
4 and carry up.
Carry up 2.
Great. Now move to the tens.
Okay. 6. 6 multiply.
Yes. 6 multiplied by 4.
And another 24.
And we have 2 more.
Yes.
So 24 plus 2.
24 plus 2. 24 plus 2, 26.
Yes. So 4 times 6 is 24. 24 plus 2 is 26. How many zeros do we have?
1.
Okay, so the answer is, the product is 600.
2640.
Great, thank you, my hero. Okay, guys, now we will move next to the next question. I will raise this and we will move down. We have these questions. Okay, in these questions, for 7 to 20, multiply to find each product and draw models as needed. Okay, in this question he asks us to draw models if you need to draw a model, and we will solve only one of these using a model. Okay, so I will solve the first one, 12 multiplied by 30. Okay, my here is to solve 12 multiplied by 30. We can use two ways. The first way that we are using today. The second way using the model. Using the model, we will draw the model. You know that 12 is small relative to 30. So 30 is little bit more. And we'll break the 12, 10 plus 2. Okay. So now this is 10 and this is 2. And after that we will find 10 multiplied by 30, which is 300. And for this area we will multiply 2 by 30, which is 60. And after that we add them to get 360. Or simply you can use the way that we are using today without any models. Just multiply 12 by 3. 2 times 3 is 6, and 1 times 3 is 3, and we have 1 0, so I will write the 0, and the same answer we get it 360. Okay, my heroes, now you know how to multiply by multiples of 10. I will send to you the link. Now these are the questions in the quiz. You have 5 questions, and let's start with the first one. 22 multiplied by 30. And Danielle,
Yes.
yes, my hero. 22 multiplied by 30.
22 multiply 30.
Yes.
660.
Great. 2 times 3 is 6, and 2 times 3 is 6, and we have 1 0. Thank you, my hero. Great work. Now let's go move down to the next question.
Mister, can I answer it?
Who's using the mic? Who is using the mic? Who's this?
Ali Sultan.
Okay, Ali, I didn't call you. Muhammad Jamal? Okay. Ibrahim Jughayman? Ali Shakhs?
Mister, do you say my name?
Say your name.
Yes, do you say my name?
I don't know who are you. Say your name.
Ibrahim Jughayman.
Yes, Ibrahim.
I am a shock.
Okay, Ibrahim first, then Ali. Ibrahim, you will solve question number 2. What is the product of 10 multiplied by 13?
Make
1 times 13 equals
1 time. Make what? 1 multiply 13 equals 13 with a 0 equal 130.
great. Thank you, my hero. And Ali,
Yes, Mister.
what is the product of 20 multiplied by 35?
Equals 100.
Okay, let's do it step by step. We will multiply 2 by 35. 2 times
2
5.
multiply 3. 2 multiply 3 equals
No.
6.
We are multiplying 2 by 35, and after that we add the 0. Go ahead. 2 times 5.
2 times 5 equals 10.
So 0 and carry up 1.
Yeah.
And now 2 times 3. Oh, sorry, the 1 is here, not here. 2 times 3.
2 times 3 equals 6.
Plus 1.
7.
And now,
Two
how many
zeros.
zeros do we need?
2.
Why 2? Because we have 1 and we
have 1 and
Yes.
they
need an extra 0, this 0. So
Yeah.
I will add an extra 0, and now it's 700. So the correct answer is 700. Thank you, my hero. Let's move down. Questions 4 and 5. And pick more heroes. Malik Salman.
Yes, Mister.
Yes, my hero, go ahead.
60 multiplied 4, 240.
Okay, can you explain why we multiply 60 by 4?
Yeah, we multiply 0 and 4, it will be 0. 4 and 6 is 24.
Okay, my
You put
question is, yes, okay, you are right. But I'm asking you, why you multiply 60 by 4? Why don't you add 60 plus 4 or divide 60 divided by 4? Why multiply?
Because the story tells us how many words you can read in 4 minutes.
Okay, simply, which one is repeating, the 60 or the 4?
60.
The 60 is repeating 4 times. Because we have in
Yes.
the first minute 60, in the second minute 60, in the third minute 60, and also in the fourth 60. So we multiply 60 times 4, and as he said, 6 times 4 equals 24, and we have how many zeros? Only 1 0. So the answer is 240. Thank you, my hero. Okay, and let's move to the next question. Muhammad Sultan,
Yes, Mister.
go ahead, my hero.
55 multiplied
Okay,
30.
we need to do it by steps, okay? So we will write the
Okay.
steps. Start 5 times 3.
equals 3 multiply 5 equals 15.
Hmm?
But 5 carry up 1
Where?
at the tens.
This the 3 or the 5?
5.
Okay.
3 multiply 5 equals 15. 15 plus 1 equals 16.
So we will write the 16 because we cannot carry up more, right?
Yeah.
Now. Okay.
Put 1 0 at the last.
Excellent. In the ones, okay. So
1650.
okay, the last one, right? Okay, thank you, my hero. Great work. Okay, my heroes. Now let's go back to the book. In the same page, 215, we have the first question. When you multiply by 20, why is there a 0 in one's place of the product? Okay, now we know that when you multiply by 20, you should multiply by 2, and after that you put the 0. Why we put the 0? This is the question. Why we have 0 in ones? Okay, if anyone knows the answer, please let me know. You can say your name if you know the answer. Anyone?
My
Surname
name
first.
is Muhammad Al-Sultan.
Muhammad?
Muhammad Al-Sultan.
Muhammad Sultan. Yes, Muhammad.
I think because two like that, 2 multiply 0 equals 0.
Good. This is good idea. But what if you are multiplying 2 digits like 12? Like this one, 12 times 20. Why we have 0 in ones?
Because there is 0 and like 2 multiply by 0 equals 0.
Okay. So, Muhammad says that if we are multiplying by the ones, we will get 0. Because 12 times 0 equals 0. So, for the ones we have 0. This is correct answer also. And I have another way to answer this question. Another reason. Okay, my heroes. And my reason is that 20 is a multiple of 10. So the product will also be a multiple of 10 and have a 0 in the ones place. Okay, I know that this is too much for us to write. We can write it anyway. So let's write the answer. 20 is a multiple of 10. So the product also should be a multiple of 10. So when we multiply by a multiple of 10, the product also should be a multiple of 10. That's why we have a 0 in the ones place. Okay, let's move to question number 2. And in this one also we need to think of the reason. Okay, what simpler multiplication problem can help you to find 38 times 70? If you know the answer, say your name. If you know the multiplication problem, the easier or simpler multiplication problem that can help us to find 38 times 70. Anyone?
I know.
Say your name.
I'm Muhammad Maidan.
Yes, Muhammad. What
Okay.
times what?
I know, but we put 38 multiply 70
X.
and do
Yes. Yes.
and we put the 0 and we multiply 38 by 7.
Excellent. So it's 38 times 7. This is the problem that if we know the solution of this problem, we can solve 38 by 70. So we will solve 38 times 7 and just add 0. Okay, thank you. You are truly a hero. Thank you, Muhammad. Okay, my heroes, finish writing. And this is the end of our session. Thank you, my heroes. See you tomorrow. And goodbye.